Okay, this first example is number 9 on page 646 of your book. And we're given a triangle, and the base here is 9.8 yards. This length here is 4.6 yards, and this length here is 12.3 yards. And they also give us the height of the triangle, which is 4.2 yards. All right, and notice this line and this line are perpendicular, since the height is always perpendicular to the base. And they want us to find the area of this figure. So the area is just right the inside of that triangle. Right, so if you would have maybe a room in your house, and a triangular room, and you wanted to put carpet in there, you would find that area. So the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height, or you can write it as base times height, and then you just cut it in half. So either one is fine. So all we do is substitute our values. So 1/2 times our base, base times height. So our base is 9.8 yards. Our height is 4.2 yards. And then we just calculate that. Right, so we just, in your calculator, right, I'm just punching in 9.8 times 4.2. And, well, let me just go ahead and write in all the steps. Then I get 41.16. And then I just cut that in half. And that gives me, that gives me 20.58. And remember, it's yards times yards. So we get square yards. And so our area of our rectangle, or not a rectangle, our triangle is 20.58 square yards. And what this again really means is our, our 20.58 square yards. So 1 square yard, let's maybe make it in green. 1 square yard, right, might be, okay, this green is not good. Maybe do pink, right? This might be 1 square yard, right? Then there's 2 square yards. That's supposed to be the same square. 3 square yards. Okay, I'm tessellating here. 4 square yards. Horrible. 5, right? 6, 7, 8. So that means that there's about 20 of those squares. 0.58, because we're not going to fit every single square. I mean, we can't get 21 in there. There's going to be some gaps. Let's see, maybe do this square, right? And if we do this square, again, all these squares are supposed to be exactly the same, but it's kind of hard for me to draw. But there's a little gap there, and that's where that decimal comes in. So that's the area of a triangle.